Hello, Craig here from Eagle Eye. Today, the sign word of the day is brought to you by the letter M, and we're going to talk mask. No, not the one you wear on your face, but pre-mask. Transfer tape. Mask. Okay, so today we're talking mask. Some people refer to it as transfer tape. Some people call it pre-mask. We call it mask. As a matter of fact, if you're ordering on our website, if you have the option, you can add mask to your product. So let's start with the most basic one. Good old transfer tape or mask. Now before I get started, or before I dig in on this, there are different kinds of mask, and there are different kinds of masks. There's so many different kinds. There's clear mask, there's paper mask, there's high tack, low tack, medium tack. The list goes on and on. But we're going to talk about what I use in my shop, and hopefully this will be some good direction for you. Now, I use the R-Tape Conform RLA. In fact, its number is 4075 RLA. I love this stuff. It's a high tack paper mask. I love it a lot. I carry this in 24, 30, and I carry this in 54 for our bigger graphics when we're cutting on our bigger plotters. Now, another one that I use here in the shop is the 3M. Now, its official number is SCPS-55. We refer to it as our red mask. Now, on this, we use this mask for anything that might have an air regress back. And you can tell the difference when you touch the paper. If you feel some grooves in the paper, then you want to use this mask. And the reason I say that is because, well, this mask is put on with heat. That's why it's on this laminator. So, and I'll dig into that here in just a minute about why I use a laminator. But you have to use, this is a heat transfer tape or a heat mask. And the reason you use heat is because, well, it makes it lay flat, and it's great for that material that I mentioned that has air regress. It sticks to that paper better so it doesn't curl up. Now, the reason I use a laminator, I've been a little fortunate in my career, and I have done my fair share of hand masking, don't get me wrong. But I use a 54-inch older laminator here to run this 3M, and I can run our bigger material on it, and I can apply heat to it. Now, in the other room, and I know you've seen some other videos, I have an old 38-inch seal laminator in there. Now, the rollers are halfway decent. There's some chunks missing out of it, but I'm not using it to laminate. I'm using it to mask. And it's a great machine, and I keep 24 and my 30-inch over there. Now, it's certainly not faster than hand masking, but it certainly is more accurate. So there you go, sign word of the day brought to you by the letter M, mask. I hope you liked the video. Hit the like and subscribe button, and as always, follow us online 24/7, eagleeyesigns.net, and thank you for your support. Now, one thing I wanted to mention too is I see a lot of shops that carry transfer tape or mask in many different sizes: a 2-inch, a 4-inch, a 6-inch, a 10-inch, a 12-inch, a 15-inch, a 24-inch. Why? Why? You know, you should buy the mask for the plotters that you have. 24, 30, 54, whatever that may be. I think it's absolutely pointless to carry mask in all those different sizes. I know some of you are probably going to say, but I'm wasting it. Well, let me mention this. If you're counting your pennies on mask, I almost dropped that. If you're counting your pennies on mask and how much you waste, you probably need to look at your whole business model. Do you see this roll right here? See how much is left on there? There isn't enough left on there to do anything with. So there you go. Some little extra information on mask. It's my view on what sizes you carry in your shop. You do whatever you want for your shop, but I think at a certain point you're wasting time and money by stocking all those different sizes.